We want to solve the equation 2 to the x plus 4 to the y plus 8 to the z equals 328, where x, y and z are in the natural numbers. Now, there are a few ways to go about doing this. I'm going to use an exhaustive method. I'm going to show how we can find all the combinations that way. So let's start by looking at the 8 to the z. So we could have 8 to the power of 1, which is 8. We could have 8 squared is 64. But by the time we get to 8 to the power of 3, we've got 512. And this is too big because we know that each of the terms on the left must be positive because they're a positive number to a power. So 512 can't happen. So we know that z must be either 1 or 2. So now let's look at this on a case-by-case basis. Let's start with if z was equal to 2, we'd have 2 to the x plus 4 to the y plus 8 squared, which is 64, equal to 328. So our 2 to the x plus 4 to the y must equal 264. Now let's look at all the possibilities for our 2 to the x and 4 to the y. So in this table, I've listed all of the powers of 2 and 4 up to 256, which is the largest either of them can be before they get to 328. And looking at this, we can see the only combination that will add to make 264 is 256 and 8. And that 8 only appears in the 2 to the power of n column. So we know that 2 to the x must be equal to 8 and 4 to the y must be equal to 256. So x is 3 and y equals 4. So that's our only solution for when z is equal to 2. So now we're going to see what happens when z is equal to 1. So in this case, 2 to the x plus 4 to the y plus 8 is equal to 328. So 2 to the x plus 4 to the y is equal to 320. Looking back at our table, we can see that the only pairing that will make 320 is 256 add 64. Now these numbers appear in both columns, so we've got two possibilities now. Either 2 to the x is 256 and 4 to the y equals 64, or the other way around, 2 to the x equals 64 and 4 to the y equals 256. In the first case, that would give us x equals 8 and y equals 3. In the second case, it would give us x equals 6 and y equals 4. Again, they're the only combinations we've got. There's no other way to make 320 from our powers of 2 and 4. So we've got three answers now. We've got 3, 4, 2. We've got 8, 3, 1. And we've got 6, 4 and 1. And there we go. We've solved our equation. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe or check out more of my videos by clicking on the links here.